Once upon a time, storytellers roamed the earth. These fantastic beings had a mission to discover magical places and tell everyone else about them. All of a sudden, the unexpected happened. One of the last remaining storytellers found hope. From the high seas, he sensed beaches. He found his way into the most beautiful gorges in a wild, unspoiled setting. And he ran, jumped, and climbed. Eventually, he came upon the protector of that land, what seemed to be the perfect guardian. It guided him on an adventure through silence and majesty. We'll bear witness to the path we take and to its grandeur, it told him. The storyteller plowed his way into that world, admiring the impressive sight of ravines, scarred by the fiery tongues of dormant dragons. A magical place where time stops, and where you can see the legendary dragon's tail. He told everyone that he had discovered a place where, with your feet on the ground, you feel as though you're touching the sky with your fingertips. A place where you feel like king of the world. He spoke of remnants of the verdant splendor that this island once enjoyed. That fantasy land captivated him. He listened to silence broken only by the murmur of the sea and the bellows of invisible underwater creatures that spouted water. The storyteller related how that world turned entirely blue for a whole hour. He learned that he could walk on water and, if he wanted, swim in sand. He said that dreams inhabited an enormous desert that stretched down to the sea. Come. There isn't a single day when the landscape is the same. Come to this fairy tale island.